There are a number of reasons you might want to change the size of your canvas. You might want to add a border, create space for adding text, or maybe change the ratio of the image to meet some social media specification. To change the canvas size, go to Image, Canvas Size. This brings up the Canvas Size dialog box. At the top here we have the file size and the dimensions of the image. Next we have the new size. At the moment it matches the current dimensions. Let's add a border to this image. Click Relative. Let's add 1 inch to the width and 1 inch to the height. Click OK. Photoshop has taken that 1 inch and distributed it evenly, giving us a 1/2 inch border all around. We still have some flexibility here. We could add 1 inch to the width, an 1.5 inches to the height, and just slide the image up. Now let's say we wanted to add some real estate at the bottom of this image to hold some text. If we add an extra inch of height, Photoshop will again distribute it evenly, which is not what we want. What we can do is add the inch of height and then anchor the image to the top by clicking on this arrow. Maybe your image needs to be square and you know it has to be 9 inches by 9 inches. OK. Now we have a warning. The new canvas size is smaller than the current canvas size. Some clipping will occur. Proceed. Now Photoshop has done something interesting here. It has respected our 9 by 9 inches, added canvas at the top and the bottom, and trimmed the canvas at the sides. Again, we still have a lot of flexibility. We can click and drag the image. If we click the crop tool, we can see the entire image.